Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are a content creator just starting out or already growing on YouTube, this video is for you. Today I'm sharing my top 5 free apps that I personally use for creating content, from video editing, scripting and downloading sound effects. And yes, everything is free, no subscription needed. And stick around to the end because I'll be sharing a bonus tip on how I save money while getting high quality results. First off on the list is CapCut. If you are editing on your phone or even on desktop, this app is a game changer. It's free, powerful and super beginner friendly. You can cut clips, add music, insert transitions, and it even has some cool filters. I use it for all my video edits, adding text, transitions, auto captions and also effects. One of my favorite features is the ability to zoom in on clips or add dynamic text that moves. Plus, CapCut doesn't leave a watermark on your final video, which is great for maintaining a clean and professional look. The second tool is one you already have, your phone note apps. I use this to write down video ideas, outline script and plan content. It's super simple but very effective. Whenever inspiration hits, whether at work or hanging out with my friends or even before bed, I just pull out my phone and jot it down. Trust me, organizing your thoughts before recording a video saves a lot of time and makes your video more engaging. For example, this video I'm recording over here, I had to script it down, or it's an idea at first, now I have to script it down, develop it more, and yeah, here we are. Makes it way easier for me. Next up is Canva. This one is for all your graphics and thumbnail needs. Canva has a ton of free templates for YouTube thumbnails and social media posts and more. But here's a trick. If you want to remove the background of a photo in Canva, you need the Pro version, which is paid. But this is where another free tool comes in play. And that app or website is Removebg. You just upload your image and it instantly removes the background for free. Then you download it and use it inside Canva and create a clean and eye-catching thumbnail. For example, this thumbnail that I create from my previous video, it's a cool one, I know, right? Check out the video by the way guys. So yeah, this is an example of like how I use the feature. This combo saves me time and money and the results is super professional. Now let's talk sounds. If you want copyright-free music, the YouTube audio library is your best friend. It's packed with royalty-free music that won't get you copyrighted. I use it for background music in my vlogs and transitions. All you have to do is go to the YouTube studio and find the audio library tab. Then download whatever fit your video vibe. Fun, chill, dramatic, you name it. Now here's a bonus tip. For some people, YouTube audio library doesn't contain all the music they need, or it doesn't have the thing they are looking for. For example, me, some of my videos contain, let's say, hip hop mix, lo-fi mix, and how I get them is some creators go to, let's say, SoundCloud to find, let's say, Drake X Kendrick Lamar. Those are two people to join with. Well, anyway, you get it. Let's say, for example, remixes, let's say Drake, right? Some people go to SoundCloud, then find the remake, then download it. Or what I do is I go to YouTube, yes, YouTube itself, then let's say find creators that specialize in making copyright-free mix. One of the creators that I follow is That Girl Playlist. I copy her music, then paste it into another tool I'm going to say is Vidmate. I paste it into Vidmate, then download it straight into Vidmate, and then here you go. I get it for free, no need to screen record or whatever. This also applies to when getting free transitions. Let's say, for example, film drawings. I go to TikTok, then download it there. Normally, the watermark will be there, the TikTok watermark. What I do is I copy the link of the video I want to download, then paste it to Vidmate, then that will download it and we remove the watermark for free. So yeah, that's the tip I want you guys to know. That I download the audio directly or effect directly to my phone, then drop it to CapCut. Here's a quick bonus tips. I organize my content creation like a system. For example, I use Notes to plan, CapCut to edit, Canva plus Removebg for visuals aka thumbnails, and also Vidmate plus YouTube for sounds and effects. That's a full workflow using only free apps. If you guys are interested in any of these apps I've mentioned, I'm going to leave the links in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment telling me what your favorite free app is, or tell me what to cover next. It's your boy Fofana signing out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.